Hi everyone, Rebecca here, and today I'm so excited to share with you this silicone baking mat. This was gifted to me in exchange for my review.
The silicone baking mat comes with a thank you card from the company. The baking mat does measure 26 inches by 16 inches and will measure centimeters or inches. This silicone mat does have a instruction manual right on the silicone mat, so you'll never lose it. Another great feature is that it has a conversion chart right on the mat. I love the fact that I can measure and really keep it up to size when I'm making my pies or pizzas. This mat can be used as a pastry mat, a baking mat, a table mat, or a countertop mat. I'm choosing to use it to roll out my dough for my pie. This baking mat is pretty cool because it's a non-slip bottom and it lies so flat. Perfect when rolling out pie crust or cookies. Look how great the nonstick surface is. My pie crust came right off and nothing was left on. And look at my counter is clean. Now let's talk about clean. This mat right here is so easy to clean up and to store away. I would suggest just to make sure it was dried all the way off before storing away. All in all, this is a great piece of equipment to have in your kitchen.